Hi, it's Jason in Jason's Jungle. As my garlic's nearly ready to lift, I'm going to show you some simple, easy to make hanging shelves to dry your garlic and onions on. A lot of us have these types of shelves. Basically, you push together in, metal tubes into plastic horizontal bars and put a wire mesh on. And a lot of us also put them away when we fill the greenhouse because we need to get the space in for the toms and everything. So a great way of doing that, doing a hanging shelf, is just to use these. I'll just show you. Here's the shelf. What I've done, as you can see here, is I've just tied the wire onto the bars, and I've also put cable ties the wire mesh to the end bits so that the end bits don't fall off. So the last thing you want is the end bits falling off, weighted down with onions and it caving in on itself. And then all you've got to do is attach some suitable cordage and find somewhere to hang it. You can see here, got a couple of S-hooks up the top of my bridge frame, and I've just tied some paracord onto the metal bars on the shelf and hung them on there. And then you just slot your onions, garlic, whatever, shallots through the holes, or you lay them on. And that's it. Simplest hanging shelf for drying onions. If you've liked this, click on like, leave a comment, let us know. If you haven't liked it, let us know as well. Share it with your friends, and I will see you on the next video.